Hare Krishna, Namaste. Welcome to our channel. Today we delve into the profound teachings of King Rishabhadev as recorded in the Bhagavatam, Canto 5, Chapter 5. These teachings provide timeless wisdom on how to live a life of purpose, devotion, and spiritual realization. King Rishabhadev, a divine incarnation of Lord Vishnu, was not just a king but a spiritual master whose words have the power to guide us on our journey toward true liberation. Before renouncing his kingdom, he imparted profound wisdom to his 81 sons. And today we will explore the core of his teachings. The first lesson Rishabhadev teaches is the importance of detachment from material pleasures. He tells his sons that the human form of life is a precious opportunity to attain spiritual realization. However, this opportunity is often wasted in the pursuit of fleeting pleasures, wealth, fame, and sensory indulgence. Rishabhadev reminds us that these pleasures are temporary. They come and go, leaving us unsatisfied. The soul's true purpose is not to accumulate material wealth, but to grow spiritually and seek eternal bliss by connecting with the Supreme Divine. Next, Rishabhadev stresses the importance of devotion to Brahman or the Supreme Divine. He explains that respecting Brahman isn't just about worshipping God in rituals, but it's about dedicating our hearts and lives to him. The Supreme Lord, in his many forms like Vishnu or Krishna, is the source of all creation. True respect for Brahman comes through bhakti or devotion. This devotion purifies the heart and leads one closer to the ultimate goal, liberation or moksha. Rishabhadev also emphasizes living according to dharma, the eternal principles of righteousness. Dharma guides us to perform our duties selflessly, without attachment to the fruits of our actions. By doing so, we align our lives with the divine will, and this is how we show true respect for the Supreme. When we live according to dharma, we naturally begin to transcend the material world and cultivate virtues like humility, compassion, and patience, qualities that bring us closer to the divine. One of the most powerful teachings Rishabhadev gives is about the realization of the eternal soul, the Atman. The body is temporary and the mind fluctuates with desires, but the soul within is eternal, pure, and unchanging. Rishabhadev urges us to look beyond the body and material attachments and recognize the divine presence within ourselves. When we recognize that the same Brahman dwells within all beings, including ourselves, we begin to see the world through the lens of divinity. This realization leads to peace and liberation. Finally, Rishabhadev teaches us that the highest form of respect for Brahman is through selfless service and humility. By serving others without any expectation of reward, we honor the divine in all. True devotion comes not only in prayer, but in our actions, attitudes, and relationships. Rishabhadev's message is clear. The divine is everywhere, in all beings, and in everything we do. When we serve selflessly, we align ourselves with Brahman's will, purify our hearts, and grow closer to spiritual realization. Friends, King Rishabhadev's teachings remind us of our true purpose, to live a life of devotion, selflessness, and spiritual wisdom. By focusing on the divine, letting go of material attachments, and aligning our actions with dharma, we can transcend the illusions of the material world and experience eternal bliss. Thank you for joining us today in exploring the divine wisdom of King Rishabhadev. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Dharmadhav Kirti Official, for more spiritual content. May you be blessed with peace and enlightenment. Hare Krishna.